Hello, I'm here to define the term correlation and how it relates to performance of a motor skill. Well, the definition of correlation is a pattern of the head, limb movements, and body that relates to the environment, objects, and events. Correlation relates in two different ways when it comes to performing a motor skill. For what I understood, um, at one point of performing a skill, it doesn't matter how skillful you are, um, there's need to be um, at least consider when, let's say, you're being tested for how you kick the ball, a soccer ball, um, how your body, head, and lip movement perform the skill without actually thinking what it's around the environment. So like if you're just in a normal place where there's nothing other than a ball and the goal and that's it, this is how this will relate. This is how correlation will relate. And then the second way, which I think is better explained, this is the same thing. A pattern of limb movement, body motion, and head that relates to the environment, meaning that you have to be able to adjust to whatever is happening around you, or if something is in the floor and you're walking, if whether you decide to jump over it, walk over it, or just kick it and keep walking. This is how correlation relates to this, which I think correlation relates in every single sport, because while performing the skill you need to be able to adjust to different things. Let's say the crowd, noises, depending on whatever sport you're playing, if you run this way or if you have to pass the ball this way, uh that's it.